So obviously, to build a nation, we need very highly skilled, educated young people. Spirit is to have the best minds trained in highly technical skill.
Sir, want to talk more about the MOU between Galgottias University and IIT Mandi?
Yeah, Golgottias and IIT Mandi, they started MOU. We will have a satellite entrepreneurship center here at Golgottias. IIT Mandi is going to support Golgottias.
Hi everyone, today I'm very excited to announce that we have Director of IIT Mandi. Sir, as a director, what core belief guides your decision at IIT Mandi?
You see, we are a country of 1.4 billion people, and India must have its own historic place in the Committee of Advanced Nations.
Yes, sir.
So obviously, to build a nation, we need very highly skilled, educated young people. So IIT Mandi, being a premier institute, must play a role in this endeavor.
Nice.
And that is what I am trying to do.
Sir, how you set IIT Mandi apart from other IITs?
You see that IITs are all shaped with the similar spirit. The spirit is to have the best minds trained in highly technical skill. All that we could do at IIT Mandi is that we have to figure out where we can excel. Culture of excellence. So at IIT Mandi, we do not focus on everything.
Okay.
We focus on very few things.
Sir, some of the things like?
Like we have robotics and AI. We have quantum science and technology.
Yes, sir.
Advanced material research. So Indian knowledge system is one of the highlight of IIT Mandi. So like that, we have picked up few areas where we want to excel.
Yeah, where these areas will be the core focus of IIT Mandi. Yeah. Sir, want to talk more about the MOU between Galgottias University and IIT Mandi?
Yeah, Golgottias and IIT Mandi, they started MOU. We will have a satellite entrepreneurship center here at Golgottias. IIT Mandi is going to support Golgottias in the in entrepreneurship because we have already more than 600 plus companies registered in our incubation center called Catalyst.
Yep.
And many of them are doing very well. Some of them have already exited. That means they are being purchased by bigger companies. So lot of experience is there. So those experience will come handy when Golgottias will interact with IIT Mandi.
Yeah. Like in simple words, basically IIT Mandi is setting up their incubator programs in every other colleges.
No. This is the first one we are doing at Golgottias.
Galgottias first one.
Yeah. It because Golgottias has a certain USP being an NCR.
Yep.
Right? We are in Himachal. So it's a good complementary situation.
Right, sir.
Yeah.
So, let's suppose I'm a student at Galgottias, I have a startup and I would like to get incubated at IIT Mandi.
Yeah, you can do it. You can certainly do it. You see that we have a very systematic approach. How do we incubate?
Yes.
We provide faculty mentor. We provide business mentor.
Nice.
As things mature, we try to rope in venture capitalists. So there are certain established procedures
Exactly.
where the Golgottias would benefit.
As a college student, sir, I feel very blessed like IIT Mandi got incubated over here. Thank you so much, sir, for your presence.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.